Hello everyone, Sakshi this side. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am excited to share with you a behind the scenes look at the automation project I have been working on. It's all about streamlining the leave application process using Google Forms, Google AppScript, Make.com, Outlook, and Microsoft Calendar. Let's dive in. Here, where it all begins. Our leave application forms, which is created using Google Forms. But it's not just a simple form, we have supercharged it with a app script. Take a look at this app script. It's the brain behind our automation. Whenever someone fills out the form, this script triggers a custom webhook in make.com. As you can see in this flowchart, once the webhook triggers in make.com, our automation kicks into a high gear. In Make.com, we have set up a custom webhook to listen for upcoming requests from Google AppScript. When triggered, it initiates the next step in our process. Here, the things gets really interesting. Using Outlook, we automatically send an email notification confirming receipt of the leave application. But we won't stop there. To ensure proper timing and avoid overwhelming our systems, we have introduced a sleep module to introduce delays between actions. Finally, the approved leave requests are seamlessly integrated into our Microsoft calendars, ensuring everyone stays informed and organized. Let's do a run test. Now we can see in our history. It's running. And yeah, the scenario works perfectly fine. Here is the all the data. And there you have it. Streamline leave application process from start to finish. I hope you find this walkthrough insightful and inspiring for your own automation projects. Until next time, happy automating.